Hey everyone, welcome back. I read on the internet not too long ago that playing a Mark II C+ makes your guitar sound a lot better. I don't know if you guys read about that or heard about that as well, so what I want to do is give that a test. I'll play first through a Mark III, I'll switch to a Mark II C+, and I'll see if my guitar sounds any better, if it makes me play any better. Stay tuned after the video and I'll share with you what my opinions and my thoughts are. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Mark III. Okay, so I'll switch to a Mark II C+. I would say the Mark II C+ makes me play so much better than any other amp, and I think if you don't have one, you should go buy one. Hopefully it's been entertaining, hopefully it's been fun for you guys to watch. This is only purely for entertainment purposes. I'm not trying to advertise for any amplifier, and I get absolutely no royalties from anyone. This is just me having fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.